Good morning. It is 5:25 a.m. We are packing up here at our little apartment on the Amalfi coast, and we are flying to Switzerland this morning. We're gonna be in Switzerland for the next 3 days. We have to get to Naples airport right now. We have a 9:30 flight. We're flying into Zurich, and we're gonna do the Lindt chocolate factory tour at 1 o'clock. And then we're gonna check into our hotel later today, and yeah, we'll see you soon. We are in Switzerland. We just arrived in Zurich. We are walking to the train station at the airport, and we are taking a train to, does anyone know the town? The town we're training to? So this is the name of the train station here at the airport. We're activating our Eurorail passes right now, and we are training to Zurich HB first. Since we had all of our luggage with us, we stopped at Zurich HB train station on our way to Lindt factory to put our bags in storage. They have larger lockers for suitcases here, and we heard that the bag storage at the chocolate factory is limited. After storing our bags, we got on another train to Kilchberg, which is a much smaller station. From here, you can walk over to the chocolate factory or take a short taxi ride like we did. I'm so excited! I love chocolate! That's what it is. Honestly, the tour was so much more informative than I thought it would be, and it was also really interactive. You could easily spend 2 to 3 hours here, but we went through the whole thing in about an hour. We skimmed through some parts, but we definitely did not skip all the free chocolate samples. the end of the tour is a huge gift shop with every Lindt product you can think of, and they even sell flavors that are only found at this shop. After Lindt, we took a train back to Zurich HB to get our bags from storage. Then we hopped on another train about 2 hours to the town of Interlaken.
Frutigen, Kandersteg, Hohenstein und Brieg steigen bitte Next Stop Schwyz.
We made it to Interlaken! It took 3 trains and 1 plane from Naples this morning, and now we're here. We've been traveling for about 12 or 13 hours now. We are walking from the train station in Interlaken to our hotel now. We're staying at Hotel Interlaken for the next 3 days. Yeah, we're gonna get some dinner tonight, explore a little bit. Not exactly sure what we're gonna get into, but I will definitely show you guys. See you soon!